In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for church. If you help with media at a church or ministry, you already know how quickly the design work adds up. Between sermon graphics, announcement slides, event flyers, and scripture quote images, it can feel like you are always creating something new under a tight deadline. The good news is that Canva makes this process much simpler, even if you are not a professional designer. To get started, open your web browser, go to canva.com, and sign in to your account. Once the Canva homepage loads, look to the top left area and check your profile or team dropdown. This is important because you want to make sure you are working inside the correct church or ministry workspace before you begin. That helps keep your files, folders, and assets organized. Next, head to the left sidebar and click on Brand. From there, choose Add New Brand Kit and create one for your church. This is where you can upload your logo, choose your main fonts, and save your official colors. Setting this up now will save you a lot of time later because it keeps all your designs looking consistent across slides, social media, and printed materials. Once your brand kit is ready, go to the top right corner and click Create a Design. Choose the format that fits your project, like presentation for sermon slides or Instagram post for social content. When the blank canvas opens, click Design in the left sidebar and search for terms like church sermon or worship. Pick a template that matches your style, and Canva will place it onto your canvas so you can start editing right away. Now it is time to add your message content. Double-click inside a text box and type your scripture or sermon title. Then use the toolbar at the top to change the font, adjust the text color, and center the alignment if needed. Try to choose fonts that are easy to read, especially if your design will be shown on a large screen during a service. If you need to create multiple slides with the same style, use the duplicate page icon near the bottom of the screen above the page thumbnails. This instantly copies your layout, which is perfect for lyric slides, sermon points, or multiple verse graphics. It is one of the fastest ways to keep your design polished while working efficiently. Before exporting, take a moment to review your layout. Move your text and elements around the canvas and watch for Canva's alignment guides to help everything line up neatly. Also, keep your project title short and clear so it stays easy to identify later. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF print if you need a high-quality file for printing. Then click Download to save your finished design. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.